Hi all, in this video I am presenting a cost-effective way of saving water and electricity by avoiding overhead tank overflow. We used to see there will be several liters of water getting wasted daily because of this overflow. This also consumes electricity while running pump during this overflow. There are commercially available automatic water level controllers, but these are fully automatic, which causes many times uncontrolled operation of pump due to water leakage or due to other issues. This we will get notice only after sump water getting empty. This water level controller is a semi-automatic one. It will switch on only while we pressing this bell button switch, and it will automatically switch off the pump while overhead tank is full or our sump is empty. So we will get to know that when the pump is getting on and how many times it is filling the overhead tank. I am using two magnetic float sensors. This is the float sensor. One it is for overhead tank and another for sump. When we are using this circuit with the well, we can bypass the sump sensor and use only the overhead tank sensor. There is a small circuit board which is having two transistors and one relay. This is the circuit diagram which we are assembled in that small circuit board. So this can be assembled in a zero circuit board, and this can be accommodated in a 4x6 inch small switchboard. This is the connection points. After we assemble this into the zero circuit board, we can connect 5 volt power supply to here and 230 volt common connection here, 230 volt output. This is the way we can connect the terminals. So I will be giving a wiring diagram, so then it will be clear. This is the way I am assembled all these components into a 4x6 inch switchboard. Here I am connected this controlling board, and this is the 5 volt SMPS power supply board I am taken out from an old mobile charger, and these are the connection to the switches. So here the bell switch it is coming here, and this is the two-way switch which it is using for bypassing this control circuit. In case if there is any problem in the control this one, so we can bypass this control circuit by using this bypass switch. Magnetic float switch are available online. I bought this from Emerging Technologies Thrissur, which it is costing me one pieces for 70 rupees. Other components are available in the local market. The total cost of this unit will be around Rs 300 rupees, which it is excluding the cables to the sensors. This is the wiring diagram for connecting the controller with the pump circuit. So here we can see this is the phase and neutral which it is coming to the pump. This is our existing switch which it is already it will be there for controlling the pump. After that, this will be the two-way switch which we are assembling in the 4x6 inch switchboard, and this is the 5 volt SMPS board which we are taken out from an old mobile charger, and this is the control board which we are assembled in the zero board. So this 5 voltage we are connecting to this control board which it is for controlling the relay and powering the circuit. So these two are the normally open contact of the relay, and these are the sensors terminal which we are given in the control board, and this is the bell switch which it is for switching on the motor, and it will be automatically switch off the motor while these sensors detect the overhead tank is full or the sump is empty. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this is helpful for you. Please provide your comments.